I'm just going to sweat this up, low flame. I don't want any color. I'm going to cover it. By the time everything melts, that'll be done in just a few minutes. And I'm not using any salt in this. Guess why? Mussels come out of salt water. These aren't fresh water mussels. They're salt water mussels. So we have enough salt in there for us. But if you must, okay, everything is in there except the mussels and the wine. So this will cook for a few more minutes. And then when we're almost ready to eat, then I'll put the mussels in there and the wine. Now we're going to cook the mussels. Put the wine. Throw in the pepper and the parsley. And now I'm going to cook the pasta. High flame. Coming along nicely. Just about done. But don't forget, we're going to dump the pasta in here, I think. Or maybe not. Another minute and that's it. You can see the coloring is nice. You don't want to overcook them. Lower the flame, medium. And now we're cooking the pasta over here. That's been 2 minutes. Now we'll put it on low. Ooh, it smells good. Now this is 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of cold water. I'm going to drizzle it down there. I don't want it 100% watery, but I also don't want it thick. So that should do it. Looks like a lot of mussels, but you know what? It's all shell. Now we'll take the mussels out. There's no way to mix the pasta with this, so we take these out. Then we're going to take the pasta and put it in here. Bring it to a boil. I could have been wrong when I said that this is going to be enough. This is for 2 people. Actually, it could be for 3 people. Now we take the pasta. Put it into the sauce. bring this to the table. Move the remote, please. I know, that's why I said, ooh. We'll get 2 bowls. The pasta. That's it. So now we put that into this. Some of the juice. Well, actually, there's not enough pasta here for 3, but the mussels are enough for 3. With a little juice left over, scooping it up with the bread. And that's it. I'll put this down on the table and go eat. Thank you.